Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix error code in the Jackpot lottery app. If you see an error code that the app is not loading or it stopped working, don't worry, just follow this step. Most error code happen because of internet problem makes your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Trying switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Then open the app again. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the Jackpot Lottery app, swipe it up to close it completely. Now open the app again and check the error code. You can also press and hold the power button, slide to turn off your iPhone, wait for 10 seconds, then turn on your iPhone back. This fixes many temporary error code. You can also open the App Store, search for the Jackpot Lottery app. If you see an update button, tap it. A older app version often cause error code. If the error code is still appear, delete the app. Press and hold the app icon, tap remove app, restart your iPhone, then reinstall app from your app store. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.